Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about a very special webinar that's being held on the 4th of October at 6 p.m. London time. Now this webinar is going to show you the exact strategy that I've used to actually grow my own business online. Now when I first started out, I had no idea how to generate traffic, how to generate leads, and how to generate sales over to the thousands of offers that you got online. I was completely lost. I had shiny object syndrome. My head was all over the place until I took this actual course and had this strategy explained to me, and now I make money every single day just by using this strategy. Now if you go ahead and click the link in the description below, it'll take you over to a bridge page where I've got a video on there that explains the exact strategy that we're going to go ahead and show you during the webinar, and shows you the type of success that I'm actually getting using that strategy. Now I want you to be able to do that as well, because I get lots of emails every single day. I have comments on this YouTube channel of people that are completely lost and have no idea how to actually get started and how to actually start making money with affiliate marketing. Right now, again, this strategy is all about doing product reviews, and these product reviews are extremely powerful so that you can go ahead and get traffic, leads and sales over to any offer that you want, including the products that you're reviewing, if they're of good quality. This is a brilliant training. This is nothing like a lot of the stuff you've seen before that explains to you how to do these types of product reviews. This is a very honest, very detailed coaching course that's going to explain to you how to do this step by step and actually grow a business. Guys, go ahead and look at that page. Go and hit the link in the description below. Look at my results. These are real results. I'm nothing special. You can do the exact same thing. You can build a business using YouTube, doing product reviews, and actually earning money online every single day. So go ahead, hit the link in the description below. I'll see you over on the webinar on Monday. I'll speak to you soon.